Hi, this is Audrey from the recipe website 2pinkpeonies.com. Today I wanted to share a great dupe for Popeye's Blackened Ranch. So you need just a few ingredients to make this at home and it's quick and easy. So for this recipe, you're going to want 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I use Duke's mayonnaise. I know I probably sound like a broken record at this point, but I use it in a lot of my restaurant copycat recipes. Just because it's like a really high quality mayonnaise, and that's what a lot of restaurants use. Not that Popeyes makes this in house, but I think it'll give you a closer taste. And then I've got 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and I'll put all the measurements and quantities in the notes below. And then I've got 1/3 cup of sour cream. All right, and then I have all the seasonings. So it sounds like a lot, but I mean, it's just some seasonings. So I have 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Put that in there. And then I didn't measure this yet, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is the blackened seasoning, and I also have a recipe if you want to make your own if you can't find it at the store. I live in Texas, and my local grocery store, HEB, had it. So I just used that. So you'll need 1 tablespoon of blackened seasoning. If you can find it in the store, this is what it looks like. And mine had salt in it. So when you're making this, you may want to adjust the salt. I added a little extra salt. This one has salt in it. If yours doesn't have any salt, you may want to add more. Just do it on your taste. Just taste it and see if it's salty enough or not. So you're going to need 1 tablespoon of blackened seasoning. Got a little bit extra there. And then we're just going to whisk everything together. You just need a bowl and a whisk, and that's it. Okay, so I've got everything well combined. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put it in my fridge, and I'm going to let it set for at least an hour. I recommend a couple hours. If you try it now, it's not going to taste like much because the flavors haven't had a chance to come out. So I definitely recommend that you let it chill for a little bit. I hope you enjoy. This is a great dupe if you're craving Popeye's Blackened Ranch. This goes great on a salad or with chicken tenders. This is what I like to use for our chicken tenders. Anyway, I hope you enjoy.